Hello, do you struggle with your health? Smart Sugar Book is a guide for you. It is no secret that blood sugar levels can have a major impact on overall health, and yet many people struggle to keep their levels in check. Smart Blood Sugar is a book that promises to help readers regulate their blood sugar levels using simple dietary and lifestyle changes. The book starts off by explaining the basics of blood sugar and insulin, and how they affect the body. It then goes on to give practical advice on how to make small changes in diet and lifestyle that can have a big impact on blood sugar levels. There are also sections on managing stress and improving sleep, both of which can help to regulate blood sugar levels. Overall, Smart Blood Sugar is a comprehensive guide to blood sugar control that is easy to follow and implement. Thank you for listening. The link for the book is in the description. Bye.